The Material World 44. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Many Muslims use classic excuses in order to avoid learning and acting on the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. For example, a parent will use their preoccupation with raising their child as an excuse to avoid learning and acting on Islamic knowledge. Anything which prevents one from fulfilling their purpose of creation, which is to use their blessings in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is nothing but a punishment and a curse for them. Firstly, a Muslim must be honest with themselves, as lying to oneself only hinders them from peace of mind and body in both worlds. If a Muslim has time to watch films and television shows, then they have time to learn and act on Islamic knowledge. Secondly, a Muslim must understand that every worldly thing they have been granted only becomes a blessing when they use it in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This involves learning and acting on Islamic knowledge and fulfilling their duties and responsibilities towards Allah, the Exalted, and the creation. If these worldly things, such as a spouse, children, or a career, prevents one from learning and acting on Islamic knowledge, then they should know that these worldly things have only become a curse and punishment for them, as a direct consequence of their laziness and bad attitude. One should dedicate whatever time they have to learning and acting on Islamic knowledge. Allah, the Exalted, does not expect Muslims to become scholars, but they must dedicate some time, whatever time they can find, to learning and acting on Islamic knowledge, so that they can gradually improve their behavior towards Allah, the Exalted, and the creation, which involves using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts, and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.